Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand.
Hi beautifuls, this is Tiffany, also known as Naturally Chic. Chic is spelled SHYCC, and that's simply how you construct classy, so do it naturally. We deal with fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all the things over here. So if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you don't miss any uploads. Today, I wanted to share with you how I achieve my press-on nails, because I have tried several times, several things, and I finally found something that works for me, and I'm able to do them at home. They last me about 2.5, 3 weeks. And then I take them off to get another set. So if you all want to know how I achieve this, keep watching. Let's get into these nails. I do my nails from home. I love them, especially since I found nails that work and the technique that works for me. So this is the BT Art. I'm going to do this set. Got everything from Amazon, and it will be linked below. Here is my dehydrator and primer. I have my nail glue. I also have my this nail glue, but I'm going to use the other one. I have my builder gel, my top coat, my drill, my UV lamp, and my big UV lamp. So let's get started. Also, I saw this trick on TikTok. Spray your nails prior to you putting your glue, and it should last longer. So I don't know if it works, but I do use it. So this is just the nail polish dryer. Let's get into the nails. So first I pick out my length, the ones I want. Beautifuls, I hope you all were able to get some tips and tricks on how to do your own nails at home. Now, if you still want to go to get your nails done, by all means do so. But for the ones that want to try it at home, hope this video helps. Make sure that you're following me on all social platforms under Naturally Chic. I am Tiffany. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Everything is linked in the description bar so that, hey, grab it and go and start doing your own stuff at home. Until the next video, you all take care, be blessed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. We'd love to have you here.
I just enjoy